You want to open your present?
Yes.
No, wait.
Do you?
Wait,
No.
Grandpa gets it.
No, we're going to do it now. Come on.
Yay!
Wait. No, wait. You sit right there. Wait. Wait for Dalton. Dalton, get in here and open these presents. Jackson, sit up.
I don't know my. Oh!
You excited?
Yeah, sure.